High-value men attract ladies easily because they have increased their sex appeal in such a way the ladies can't resist them. When you are sexually appealing, you make her obsess over you. She will try everything in her power to win you over. There are 5 things you can do to increase your sex appeal as a man. 1. Be good at something. Women get attracted to a man who is very good at what he does. It shows to the women that you are a goal-driven man, not a lousy, lazy simp. There are many things you can be good at. It could be sports, singing, instrument playing, writing, and the list goes on. Pick something you have an interest in, learn it, and become good at it. Ladies find this attractive and sexually appealing. Be humble. High-value men don't act like they are all in all. Women desist from very proud men. Humility is a very important trait you need to have as a man. Do things with humility. Don't be the nice guy who always tries to do everything for one lady to just impress her. Have the humility trait and see how the ladies start giving you their attention. Maximize your appearance. Always try to look in your best self every day. Some low-value men always say men don't need to look good. They just need to have money. Pathetic. Money is just a factor in keeping a partner. If you use money to get a girl, you never got a valuable woman, you just found a gold digger to be your partner. Because when she sees another man with lots of money than you, she's easily attracted and she's gone. Don't ever make money to be your only method to get your dream girl. You need to improve the way you look, dress, and talk to become sexually attracted to her. I have talked about these things in my previous videos. There will be a video card at the end of the video, so check it out. Be polite. High-value men are very polite. They don't do things to impress a lady. They do things to make the women feel comfortable around them. You need to be polite to make the women find you sexually appealing. Be dominant. Women love dominant men. They find it sexually appealing. You need to prove your dominance assertively, not aggressively. Low-value men forcefully dominate a woman. That's foolish. You need to dominate women assertively. Women are more attractive to dominant men because they love men who know what they want. Men who can lead them. You can't be a simp and want to lead a woman. Be a high-value man who knows what he wants, who has a clear goal, and who's also actively working towards his goal. Be that type of man and you will have a lot of women trying hard to be with you. Watch this video to improve your attractiveness as a man. See you later, folks.